So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to explore Forex here on the TradingView application. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. Once that is done, simply go down to the bottom and press on the Explore icon located between Chart and Ideas. Press on Explore. Now at the top where it says Explore Markets, just slide this across to where it says Forex right here, located between Crypto and Futures. Press on Forex. Now once you're here, you can view a whole bunch of different forexes right here. So you can Euro to USD, USD to JPY, etc. You can kind of view them all this way. If you want to press on one to explore further, you can definitely view the chart right there. Whatever the case may be, it's right in front of you. You can also scroll down to some news flow, the current indices, all this kind of stuff. So ideas, etc. It is right in front of you. So super duper simple, super straightforward. But that is how you guys can. We'll go back to Forex right here. A few different types of Forexes. So as I mentioned before, Euro to USD. It's right here for your for at your disposal. So super simple, super straightforward. But that is how to explore Forex here on TradingView. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.